Hello dear children, today we have come up with a very easy activity, that is to find the LCM of two given numbers by using the number grid. Okay. Now for drawing this, what we have to do first? First we will take a number grid where 100 boxes will be there, and what we will do? In each box we will write 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 100 in this way. The box will be of length 10 cos 10, means the length will be of 10 unit and the breadth will be of 10 unit. So we will get 100 boxes and we have written from 1 to 100. Okay. The first thing I will tell how to do this. Okay. After that I will say how to write. Okay. Now let's the two given numbers are 3 and 5. Okay. Suppose the two given numbers are 3 and 5. What to do? First, I will start encircling the multiple of 3. Why? Because we have to find the LCM, means least common multiple. Okay. So first, we will start encircling the multiples of 3. Okay. Now from 3 it will be started 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51. So you can see up to 100 I have encircled the multiple of 3. Okay, I have encircled the multiple of 3. Now what we have to do? I will encircle the multiple of 5. Okay, now let's do that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Now we have also got all the numbers or all the multiples of 5 up to 100. Now what we have to do? We have to find the least common multiple of these two numbers, means LCM of 3 and 5. Okay. Now first we have to check which are the common multiples. Okay. Now common multiples means both of these two colors will be there in this way. Okay. Now where we can see that? The first we can see for 15. Then we can see for 30. After that we can see for 45. After that we can see for 60. Then we can see for 75. After that we can see for 90. After that we can see for nothing. Okay. Now these are the all common multiples of 3 and 5 both. But what we have to do? We have to find the least common multiple, means the smallest common multiple, which is the first one, that is 15. 15 is the common multiple as well as the least common multiple of 3 and 5. Okay. Now I am repeating. First we have to take one grid. Okay. And on that grid paper, what we have to do? The measurement of the grid will be 10 cross 10. Okay. Means 100 boxes will be there. So I will just take that box take that whole grid of 100 boxes, and I will write in each box 1 to 100, just like this. 1 to 10, 11 to 20 in this way. 10 cross 10, as I have told you the measurement. Now what we have to do? We have to find the LCM of two given numbers, and I have taken two given numbers, those are 3 and 5. Okay, the two given numbers are 3 and 5. Now what we have to do? First step, we will just encircle the multiples of 3. Use different colors for encircling the multiple of 3. Okay. Now we have encircled the multiple of 3 by blue color. Okay. So first multiple is 3, after that 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 84, 87, 90, 81 was left, 93, 96 and 99. All these are the multiples of 3 up to 100. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to start encircling the multiple of 5. Okay. Now how to do that? We have used different colors for encircling the multiple of 5. Now first multiple 5, then 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Now in case of common multiples, we will get two different colors circles together. Okay, blue and black circles together. Now what we have to do? We have to find them. That in which numbers we are getting these two circles together. Okay. Now the first number where we are getting these two circles together, for just understanding the common multiple, that is 15, then 30, then 45, then 60, then 75, then 90. After 100 we have not written any number, that's why we have taken up to 90. Okay. Now least common multiple means which is the smallest common multiple. So 15 is the first common multiple of both 3 and 5. That's why 15 will be the least common multiple of 3 and 5. Okay. Because 15 is the first number where we are getting that both the two different colored circles, blue and black both. And 15 is such a number which is a multiple of 3 as well as the multiple of 5, and which is the first common multiple of 3 and 5 both. Okay. So in this way we can find the LCM of two given numbers. 3 and 5 I have taken. You have taken any two more numbers. Okay. Or you can also take 3 numbers. Suppose for taking 3 numbers, suppose 5, 3 and 6 is taken. Okay. Now for this 6, again we can just encircle the multiples of 6. But for that what we have to do? We have to just encircle the multiples of 6 by another color. Okay. Suppose we have used blue and black here. We can use for the multiples of 6 red color pen. Now by that red colored pen we will just encircle all the multiples of 6 up to 100. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to find the common zone, means blue, black and red. This number, first number, where all the colors will be there for encircling. First number like that, we have to find that. Okay. Now we can easily find the LCM of 3, 5, 6 if more than 2 numbers are given. Now you have to do only for 2 numbers. If possible, some of you can do use the 3 numbers. Okay. Now I am giving the writing, what you have to write for the activity. Okay. Now I will start the activity by writing this. First we will write the topic, and the topic we will write LCM of 2 or 3 numbers. As I have given you or I have shown you the example of 2 numbers, then you can also do for 2 numbers. Now for objective, to find the LCM of 3 given numbers, or you can also write 2 given numbers by using the number grid. And prerequisite knowledge means the knowledge which you have already gained, that will be used here. Okay. Now the concepts are: first, concept of LCM, then concept of multiples of a number, then knowledge to draw a 10 cross 10 grid. Okay. Now let's come to the next one. You can just pause the video and you can write all these things in your copy. Okay. Now in case of procedure, see, I have taken one 10 cross 10 grid box. Okay, you can see that, and here we can get 100 boxes. In each of the box I have written 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 100. Okay. Now what we have to do? In the next procedure we have to write the numbers from 1 to 100, which we have already done. Thirdly, we have to encircle the multiples of 3 with black pen. As you can see, here the multiples of 3 means 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 43, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96, 99. All these are encircled by a black pen, and these all are multiples of 3. Now it is written, encircle the multiples of 5 with red pen. Now see, I have also encircled the multiples of 5 by red pen. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to find the least common multiple of 3 and 5 for these two numbers. Now for finding the common multiples, what we have to do? We have to just see which are encircled by both red and black pen. You can see these numbers which are encircled by both red and black pen. Okay, these will be called as common multiple. Okay, because these numbers are the multiples of both 3 and 5. Okay, so how many numbers we are getting? You can see 15, then 30, then 45, then 60, then 75, then 90. Up to 100 we are getting these 6 common multiples. Okay. Now in the observation we have written numbers which are encircled by all the red and black pen are called the common multiples, which I have just told, and these are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90. Okay. These numbers are encircled by both red and black pen. You can see that. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to write the result. Now after that we will write out of these, means the common multiples 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90. Out of these numbers, 15 is the smallest common multiple. Okay, out of these 6 common multiples up to 100 of 3 and 5, 15 is the smallest as well as the least common multiple. That's why you can say that the least common multiple or the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Okay. Now for your convenience, I am showing this paper again to you. Now for the result we have written, with this simple activity we have learned to find the LCM of two numbers, and the two numbers are 3 and 5. Now if you wish, you can also increase the numbers. Means suppose 3, 5 and 6 you have taken. Now for that what we have to do? 6, the multiple of 6 will be encircled by a different color. Okay. Then the intersection of all the 3 colors will be taken. Okay. And will be taken as the common multiples of 3, 5 and 6. And from there, which will be the least common multiple will be taken as the LCM of 3, 5 and 6. In this way we can also find more than 3 numbers. And today up to this class, in my next video we will start the activity of finding the HCF of 2 given numbers. Till then, bye everyone, stay safe.